80% of people represent themselves in family court. And most of the time, it's not because they want to. Our members started off with an attorney on average. Most of our members began their representation represented by a lawyer in family court for their divorce, child custody, or child support dispute. And many of them spent roughly $10,000 before they could not afford to pay their lawyer anymore. They ended up representing themselves because their cases were not finished. By the time they ran out of money and needed to let their lawyer go, they hadn't resolved things in mediation or they hadn't been to trial. So they had no choice but to represent themselves. Many of them tried for months unsuccessfully before joining Win Without Law School. When they joined Win Without Law School, they engaged. They took the time to learn what they needed to do to become successful at representing themselves in family court. They took the courses, they went to the lives, they built the trial notebook, they identified their witnesses, they put in the work to become excellent at representing themselves. Then they showed up in court or to their mediation prepared. They had a strategy, they had their trial binders, they had their witnesses, they had their opening statements, they knew what they were doing. And this was roughly 10% of the cost of what they had paid their attorney previously. At Win Without Law School, if this is you, if you are representing yourself in family court and you don't have a lawyer, I know you'd prefer to have a lawyer, but if you don't have a lawyer and you're willing to put in the work, Win Without Law School might be right for you. It's a Black Friday sale all through the end of the weekend where you can get 40% off. Go to winwithoutlawschool.com and let me know what questions you have here in the comments, and we'll talk about it.